Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we will see how you can connect your Google Calendar with your GoHighLevel calendars. So the idea is you're using GoHighLevel calendars to book people in for appointments, consultations, free trial classes and stuff. When the appointments come in through the GoHighLevel calendars, they should also pop up in your Google Calendar. So in order to do that, we need to integrate these two, and that's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. Now, in order to do that, we need to first be in a GoHighLevel sub account. I'm in one of my test accounts, as you can see right now. What I will do is first we will go to calendars and go to calendar settings and make sure we have a calendar. Right now, as you can see, it's blank, so we don't have a calendar. Now, what needs to happen is we need to create a calendar and add a user to this calendar. So here's the calendar, here's the user. They're added, like the user is added to the calendar, and the user will connect his Google Calendar. That way, the GoHighLevel calendar is in sync with the Google Calendar through the user. That's basically the idea, and that's what we're going to implement today. Now, in order to do that, you need to go to my profile here because I am added as a user. So if you go to my staff, I can show you that I am added as a staff member. Obviously, I am the agency owner of this account, so I have access to all the sub accounts. Particularly, I need to be a user or a staff member in this sub account for me to get added to the calendars, right? It could be a bit complicated, but it's not really that difficult. So basically, you, in this case, me, I'm added as a staff member in this sub account. Because I'm added as a staff member, I can go to calendar, create a calendar and assign it to myself or add myself to this calendar. Let's just create a calendar real quick. Let's just say personal booking is fine. I'll say book a consultation with Hasib. That's my calendar name. You can add a description as well. But what I want to do is I want to make sure the team member is me. So what I'll do is I'll just hit confirm. You can look at the other settings by going to this pencil icon, edit the logo, description, add it under any group, check availability, set up all the duration slots and stuff. I'm not going to go through that because I have tons of other videos showing how calendars work in GoHighLevels. Let's not look at that today. But what I want to show you is we have created the calendar and I am the user of this calendar. So whatever appointment comes through this calendar, if someone goes and books an appointment, it comes to me. That's the idea. Now I need those appointments to go to my Google Calendar. That's what we're going to do now. As you can see, people coming in and then booking in. They enter the details, schedule meeting. That's it. The appointments come in.
Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick moment to share my school community where if you join, you get to ask me questions about issues you're facing on GoHighLevel Ads Automation AI. You can also be a part of the weekly coaching sessions where I conduct training on many different topics and we do a Q&A session after that. Besides, you get free access to a lot of my courses that I'm not uploading on YouTube anymore. Some of them you can already see on the screen. Also, there are members only discounts. So if you join, you get 50% off on my courses, my snapshots, my funnels, everything. That's pretty much what I want to share. See you on the other side.
Now, the goal is to appear them in the Google calendars. Now, we will go to my profile. And if you don't see my profile under settings, chances are you haven't added yourself to this sub account as a staff member. So you need to make sure you do that. Now we will go to my profile and go to calendar settings and hit add new. And we will say Google Calendar. And by the way, the same thing applies to Outlook Calendar. So if you use Outlook Calendar, you can connect it the same way. So I'll just hit connect. Now it will take me to log into my Google account. Okay, I'll just select one of these calendars from here. Now I'll hit continue and again hit continue. Now what's going to happen is it's going to take all the access. GoHighLevel is asking Google to give necessary access so it can access my account, calendars and stuff. And now once everything's done, you can see it's connected. There we go. So my Google Calendar has been integrated with GoHighLevel. If you have a look here, calendar configuration, linked calendar, sync bookings with your linked calendar. This is the linked calendar I have right now. You can edit this and make sure you have selected the right one. And if you go to advanced settings, you can do either default sync one way, which is call comes into the GoHighLevel calendar and it goes to Google Calendar. If you want to do two-way sync, what's going to happen is if you book someone in the Google Calendar, it's going to appear in the GoHighLevel calendar as well. So that's something you can do as well. And conflict calendars is set to this one. So basically what's going to happen is if there's a blocked slot in your Google Calendar, it's not going to appear in the GoHighLevel calendar, which is really good. So that's basically all there is to the integration. Now we will just do a quick test. Now let's go to calendars and we will open it up and do a test booking ourselves to see if the calendar bookings appear in our Google Calendar. So do this, do a test number. Let's just say johnmail.com. So this is a booking I'm creating as a test. So once this booking comes in, I'll see it appear if we go back under calendar. There we go. This is the one that I just booked. Now, if we go to our Google Calendar, we should see this booking appear Friday, November 28, 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. GMT. Let's see. There we go, guys. This is obviously there's a change in time zone. That's why it's showing a different time, but it's GMT +6, but the call came in the GMT time, which was 10. So there's a 6-hour difference. But yeah, that's the booking that came through from GoHighLevel to Google Calendar. So that's how we integrate GoHighLevel calendars with Google Calendars, check for conflicts, and do synchronization either two-way or one-way. So I hope this video was useful. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any other topics to be covered, and I'll see you in the next one.